Hello there, and today I'm here with a video about the MGK shoe kit cleaner. And I love this kit. I've had this kit for actually quite a while. I'm probably gonna get a new one once I run out, but this stuff is really good, especially for keeping your shoes clean and then keeping them clean too, not only just cleaning them. So as you can see here, this is the cleaner and conditioner. I got two of these in my kit, but I already ran out of one. Um, it comes with a brush, but this is not the brush that it came with. But you know, the brush is a little more replaceable than the other stuff. So it comes with water and stain repellent, which is really nice for actually cleaning your shoes after. Like it helps keep it protected, so you don't have to keep cleaning it so often. And then this is really helpful, especially with like Converse and stuff. This white touch-up stuff, love it. I really like it. So yeah, this kit I really, really recommend. It's a really good kit for cleaning your shoes. All right, thank you so much for watching.